My name is Raj Oswal, and I am from California, and I came to Shenzhen in 2019 April. I started my company in 2020, and we are a technology solution provider. And my latest initiative is to work on education technology using solutions like virtual reality, VR. When I graduated from college, I worked in the startup field in Silicon Valley for about 12 years. And when I came here, I was really surprised to see it reminded me of Silicon Valley. It reminded me that entrepreneurial spirit that I had growing up had that same feeling in Shenzhen. I thought this would be a really good platform for me to build a business over here. So that's why I decided to start my Chinese entity in Shenzhen, because it has a lot of strategic benefits to being in Shenzhen. It's a good hub for Asia and a good hub to develop the technologies that we could introduce to other parts of the world. We want to work with teachers and empower teachers so that they can use what they're using right now and use new tools like VR to basically empower their students. I've lived here for 4 years, and it's a growing city. So for me, Shenzhen is all about energy. And that young spirit is what excites me about this place, because it makes me feel very young and full of energy to create new things.